Hi friends, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making peppers and onions in the air fryer. So the first thing we need to do is to slice peppers and onions into strips. So I will start with peppers. First I cut the peppers in half. Then I remove the seeds and stems. And cut each half in half and slice into strips. And I will repeat this with other peppers. Now I will peel and slice the onions. So to peel the onion, first I'll cut off the end and take off the peel. Cut off the other end. And take off the remaining peel. And once I peel the onion, I will cut it in half and cut each half into slices. And I will use my hands to separate the onions into thinner slices. And now I will repeat this with the other onion. So cut off the end, cut off the other end, and remove the peel. The next step would be to add oil and seasoning to the peppers and onion slices. I'm going to use olive oil and taco seasoning, and of course you can use any seasoning you like. So first I'll add olive oil. And we'll sprinkle it with taco seasoning. And now let's toss with our hands to combine. I'm going to add a little more seasoning. And now I will add the onions and peppers to the air fryer basket. Let's put the basket in the air fryer. And we'll set the temperature to 400 degrees. And we'll set the time to 13 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking process, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake peppers and onions to mix. And put the basket back in the air fryer. Now the peppers and onions are done cooking, so let's take a look. Perfectly cooked. Look at these delicious roasted peppers and onions in the air fryer. So easy to make, you will love them. For a printable recipe or other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.